Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about the topic the teeth. The teeth. As you know, teeth play a very important role in chewing the food and biting the food. Now we start the lesson. Let's start now. This is your activity. You do it yourself. Okay. Now we start reading the lesson. Teeth are very important part of our body. They give shape to our face. They help us to bite and chew food. They help us speak clearly. We have two sets of teeth. We have two sets of teeth, temporary teeth and permanent teeth. Temporary teeth. Now, firstly, by the age of 3, a child has 20 teeth. This set of teeth is called milk teeth. Set of 20 teeth is called milk teeth or temporary teeth, like this. Temporary teeth. After that, permanent teeth. After the age of 3, from the age of 6, a child start losing the milk teeth. As the milk teeth fall, new teeth grow in their place. This new set of teeth is called permanent teeth. They like this. This is permanent teeth. An adult has a set of 32 teeth. An adult has a set of 32 teeth. There are 16 teeth in the upper jaw and 16 teeth in the lower jaw. Once a permanent tooth is lost, no new tooth grows in its place. Now kinds of teeth means type of teeth. There are 4 kinds of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Premolars and molars. Now first, incisors. In our this set of teeth, starting 4 teeth, these called incisors. This called incisors. The 4 front teeth in each jaw are incisors. They have sharp straight edge like this. They have sharp straight edge. They are used for cutting and biting the food. Cutting and biting the food. These 4, starting 4, okay. And after that, now canines. Canines. Just after the incisors, here and here. There are 2 canines in each jaw. They are present on each side of the incisors, like this, here and here. They are very sharp and pointed. They help to tear the food. They help to tear the food. This is incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Incisors help in cutting the food and canines help in tearing the food. After that, premolars. Just after the canines, there are premolars. There are 4 premolars in each jaw. They are next to the canines. They are broad and flat. They have to crack the food. These 4. Here too and also here. These are premolars. It's help in the cracking of food. After that, molars. Here are last 3 here and last 3 here are called molars, like this. There are 6 molars in each jaw. They are next to the premolars. They are broader than premolars. They help in grind the food. They help in grind the food. Incisors help in cutting the food. Canines help in tearing the food. And premolars help in cracking the food. And molars help in grinding the food. You do this activity yourself. After that, now a structure of a tooth. Structure of tooth. Each tooth has 2 parts, crown and root. Crown and root, the part of tooth above the gums. This is gum. Above the gum is called crown. This is white space after and above the gum is called crown. The part of the tooth inside the gum is called root. The part of the tooth inside the gum is called root. The gums hold the teeth in jaw. The gums hold the teeth in jaw. The outer white covering of the tooth is called enamel. White covering is called enamel. It is the hardest part of the tooth. Hardest part of the tooth. The bony material inside the enamel that forms the main part of the tooth is called dentine. This is called dentine. The center of the tooth is called pulp. These yellow, red and blue are pulp. It is the soft part of the tooth. It has blood vessels and nerves. Blood vessels and nerves. After that, now tooth decay. Tooth decay. You do it, okay? Label the diagram of structure of a tooth. Now tooth decay. When we eat, small bits of food may get stuck between our teeth. Stuck between our teeth. When we do not brush our teeth properly, this stuck food roots our teeth get covered with a thinny, sticky layers of germs called plaque. This plaque reacts with the sugar present in the food to produce acid. This acid affects the enamel and start decaying it. This is called tooth decay. This is tooth decay. Tooth decay causes holes and cavities. The cavity grows bigger and deeper over time. This exposes the nerves and blood vessels in the pulp and cause pain. Tooth decay causes the following: holes or cavities in teeth, toothache, loss of teeth, foul smell from the mouth, digestive disorders. Now at last, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.